Hey everyone! Welcome back to Life Hacks Daily, the place where simple tricks make your life easier every day. If you enjoy helpful tips like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. White vinegar is amazing for streak-free shine. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray it on mirrors or windows in white with a microfiber cloth. Your glass will look crystal clear in seconds. Place a small bowl of white vinegar in your kitchen or fridge. It naturally absorbs odors, no chemicals needed. This is perfect for removing food smells and keeping the air fresh. Fill 1/3 of your kettle with white vinegar, then add water to the top. Bring it to a boil and let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse well, the limescale will be completely gone. Pour white vinegar directly into the toilet bowl and let it sit overnight. In the morning, give it a quick scrub and flush. Your toilet will be clean, bright, and odor-free. Add half a cup of white vinegar to the fabric softener slot in your washing machine. Softens clothes, removes odors, and reduces detergent residue, all naturally. And that's it. 5 simple ways to clean your home using white vinegar. Try them today, and enjoy a fresher, cleaner home. Remember to like, comment, subscribe for more daily life hacks.